Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to create a deal in Zoho CRM so you can track potential sales from the very beginning. Whether you're managing a single client or a growing sales pipeline, this process only takes a few minutes. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. After the dashboard loads, click on the Deals module from the main navigation panel. Once you're in the Deals section, click the Create Deal, New Deal, or the plus icon, depending on your Zoho CRM layout. Now, enter the deal information. Give your deal a clear name, select the related account or contact, choose the pipeline stage, add the expected closing date, and enter the deal amount if you know it. You can also assign the deal to an owner, choose the lead source, add notes, or complete any custom fields your company uses. Filling in these details helps keep your sales records organized. After reviewing everything, click Save. So your new deal will appear in the Deals module, and you can update its stage, schedule activities, or link it with tasks and meetings as your opportunity progresses. That's all there is to it. Yeah, you've successfully created a deal in Zoho CRM. From here, you can track every stage of your sales process and manage opportunities more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.